Welcome back guys. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about the Tor browser. What is Tor? So as we know, Google is one of the web browser used for accessing the surface web. Similarly, the Tor browser is used to access the dark web. Then why can't we use Google to access the dark web? Because the Tor browser anonymizes the web traffic using the Tor network, making it super safe and easy to protect your identity online. Actually, as you can see on the screen, the logo of Tor browser is an onion, right? Well, it's because the onion symbolizes the multi-layer protection which is provided by Tor. Tor completely hides your identity, your IP address, as well as the location from where you are accessing the dark web. Whereas due to this multi-layer protection browsing, the deep dark web through Tor may be slower as compared to accessing the surface web or the clear net using various other browsers. Tor is also illegal in several countries that want to prevent its citizens from reading, publishing, or communicating anonymously. Journalists around the world have made Tor a hub for several types of news which the government does not want to be disclosed. Several news related to corruption and sensitive topics can also be found on the browser, due to which the governments are working to break the Tor anonymity properties, while on the other hand, researchers are on hard work improving it. Tor browser is also available for Android and iOS. In Android, you can find it as Orbot or Orbox, ORBOX, easily from Play Store. And in the case of iOS, you can find Onion browser from the App Store. So how exactly Tor works? Tor keeps its users anonymous using the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is also used in transfer of digital currencies like bitcoins to make transactions untraceable. So as you can see in the diagram, let's say Alice is trying to open the Tor browser. So first of all, Alice device gets the dictionary or directory of all the available Tor nodes from a server, right? So Tor officially has no devices or servers, but several volunteers all around the world have provided their device as Tor servers, which helps Tor create more protection walls as it improves the browsing speed. So after Alice device gets the list of all available Tor nodes, the Tor client picks a random path to the design server, and at the end of each node, the signal is encrypted. As you can see in the diagram, the green lines are the encrypted lines, wherever the red lines are not encrypted. So the Tor client of Alice picks a random path through Tor nodes, encrypts each signal at the junction, and finally reaches the desired server, that is in this case Bob. Again, when Alice visits another site or requests any kind of service, the Tor client will again pick a random path through the Tor nodes, encrypt each signal at each node, and then reaches the desired server, which is in this case Jane. So you see, there are many phases of encryption between the client and the server, which makes the hacker or any third person party nearly impossible to trace. Thank you. That's it for this lecture. Hope you learned about how the Tor browser works. In the next lecture, we are going to learn about Tails, another secure way to protect your privacy. Thank you very much. See you there.